Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Vibes with Stick. Today we have another exciting payment video. So today I'm actually going to take you through how to remove Deceptive Site Ahead, which is actually flagged by Google. So this occurs when you actually have malwares or virus attack by hackers on your website, and a lot of terrible stuff is going on at the background in your website and you're not aware of it. So Google is aware of this and they will flag your website not safe for users to actually come in because their credit cards, their passwords and informations are not safe if they're going to enter that on your website. So today I'm actually going to take you through how to remove your Deceptive Site Ahead and at the same time how to protect your website from such occurrences in the nearest future. So make sure you stay tuned as we get started. Say no more. Hello everyone, welcome back, and I'm super excited to be on your screen again. So quickly we're going to be fixing this error, how to fix your Deceptive Site Ahead, majorly when you see an organization, a company or online shop, whatever you are actually doing with your website, and you see people Google warning people that your site has Deceptive Site Ahead and your passwords, phone numbers, credit cards are not saved. This is majorly caused by social engineering attacks like malwares to your website. So and whereby you see hackers send things like trojans and some dangerous files, emails via your website, and you're not aware of this. So this attack is a very serious attack, and it actually makes Google to flag your website as not being safe for everyone or users to actually visit it, which is very bad for your website, for people to be seeing that and they'll be scared to come back to your website. So this is how to fix it, and this is my website and I'm using an example to actually get this solution solved. So right inside, so majorly when you fix, we're heading it straight, majorly when you fix your website and you click on, you're trying to access my website and you click on meetslick.com, and your Google brings out this to you, that danger site ahead, and this is how you can actually get this fixed. So the first thing you're actually going to do is actually to confirm again if this is really what is going on with the site. So you can actually head straight to transparencyreport.google.com to confirm if your site is actually being having this error. So you can click on it and search, and Google will tell you this site is not safe and contain harmful content and all that. So you need to get fixed, and this is what we're actually going to do. We're going to get this fixed. One of the processes that we're going to take it in just a few minutes. So follow me as we ride on this. So guys, to fix this, the first steps you're actually going to take is for you to know that for you to be sure that your website is being registered with Google Search Console. So you have to be sure either it was there before, you've confirmed it and you've added it before. If it's not there, you have to come and check if it's there, or you have to add it. So I'm assuming for those offers that have getting started and have not actually have your site on it, so you just have to click on your site here. So you're going to write your site here, and you're going to ask Google to actually confirm to find you or registration. So Google will be checking verification to be sure if your site is there. It's not there, so you're going to get this downloaded, and you download this. So when you download this, you're going to add it to your server, basically with your public HTML or whatever you're using, hosting cloud server or whatever you're using to actually get your stuff done. So moving on, so that's the next thing we're going to go there. So majorly when you want to get fixed now, it's actually very difficult for you to get it done using via Google Chrome. So most likely you're advised to use another computer, not accessing the same website from your site, and you have to consider using Google Chrome, but in incognito form. So I'm going to use Google Incognito to actually access your site so that it can allow you to enter the site. But in another way, man, you can use your Internet Explorer, which will still tell you, if you are still doing this, Internet Explorer will still tell you can access your site. You have to, it's not safe, so but you can still go ahead with it. So you can just say click on details and say go on the page. It's not recommended, but you need to get this stuff fixed, so you just have to click on that so that you can actually access your website. So you access your hosting website, your cPanel, via your cPanel. So you just have to log in. All you just need is just to log in to your cPanel. You know how to get your cPanel where your website is being hosted, depending on the host server you're actually using. So you click you go to your file manager. You are aware of this for you, so for someone building website and all that. So we just need to access where your files are, and you need to get this done to know well, so that Google can verify that your website is actually registered. So you end straight to your public HTML. So in your public HTML, what you just need just to upload, click on upload. Then so you upload this file you initially downloaded from Google, so you could actually get this done. So this is the file, and actually it's been uploaded right now. So for you to be sure this is in your website, so you click on, you refresh on your and you see your file is already there. So since this file is being downloaded already, so you have to come back to your search.google.com. That's your Google Search Console that you actually downloaded it from. Then you click on verify to be sure the stuff is there already. So it's telling you yes, you verified, so the ownership is there, so you're very good to go. So you can actually go to your property to view what you have now on your property. So yes, so welcome to new Google Search Console, and you could click on start to see the overview of what's happening. So Google is already showing you the security issue, that since you have added your website there, and there's security issues for you to actually fix. And you could see that Google has added harmful content to your website, and we recommend that you remove it as soon as possible. So you're trying to fix this, and you have to let them know that all these things have been cleared. So let me quickly go back to my cloud hosting, that's my cPanel, to let you know that you could see that my publishment is all cleared. I've actually reset all my files in my server, so there's nothing there, no malwares, nothing found already. So all I just need to tell Google is that everything is clean, and you just need to have access to it to check to confirm yourself that everything is clean. So that's what we need to do now. So you just go back to your Google Search Console, and all we just need to do is just to request that, oh, we are fixing this website and it's all clean from any virus issues or anything. So we just to request a review. So you could tell Google all issues have been fixed, what have been done, please do not include any personal information issues. They will tell you that. You could just tell them that all issues fixed and my server is cleared. It's cleared. So they could actually submit a review from them. So then you submit a review, so Google will check this in a while. It might take some few hours, sometimes some days, but it doesn't take that much long. Google will check. You have submitted a request already, and Google are checking it, so they want to be sure. They look at what they actually brought out at what they found on the website, that it's actually a malware running around the website. So you just give them some time, and when they check that everything is actually working, then you could come back and just refresh and see them. You see that you have time they fix this, and when they are done fixing this, you see that they will tell you your website is super clean, and you could come back to this place to actually check if your website is fine or safe or unsafe. So this is basically how it's been fixed done. So just wait till Google will get this fixed done. They will move you, then your website will now be clean for everything. Yeah, so finally, after like 2 days, Google actually get this fixed done, and I was able to refresh my Google console and see that there's no issue detected in the same https://mistake.com that we actually added the website that we're actually working on. And you could get an email notification, Google telling you that, oh, now, hey guys, your website is being cleared, no affected, no malwares anymore, and your site will not be flagged by Google again or by Chrome for people visiting it again. So everything will actually fine. So I got this email. You get it in your notification, then you can also get it in your mail too as well too. So you see that Google has received, processed your security request, indicate blah 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 webmaster, and your email is if successful, so you clear from actually every error and you're fine to go now. So you can see where I was playing around the Google Search Control things again that you could do, that you could crawl your website. I mean, on Google Search will rate you up. You could do your search and site map to actually make sure your site is actually can easily be found by it. Improve search engine optimization for sitemaps and some other stuff. It's very advisable for you to make sure, if you're using an open source software, it's like WordPress and all the likes of content management system, you are more prone to viruses when you're using it for your own personal website or whatever or app you're building. So it's very advisable for you to make sure you upgrade them, or the plugins you're using, the WordPress upgrade its version itself, make sure it's updated to actually avoid constant virus, and make sure you make some security measures. So you could actually follow me on meetic.com, on Medium, to read about how to secure your website in the various way, or your apps in various way, on my Medium post. So I could actually drop in the link box, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all social medias as well too, if you enjoy this thing. So give a like button. So this is all about this section, and thank you for taking your time to join us for this amazing quick solution that we just fixed. Do not forget to subscribe to me to find out for a lot of exciting videos coming on. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy and have a great day. Thank you.